Hello everyone, this is Madhu, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College from Department of Mechanical Engineering. And this is a topic from R&AC, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning subject. And it is from 5th unit, Ventilation System in R&AC. Definitions. A means of changing the air in an enclosed space to keep fresh air for respiratory system, preserve correct level of oxygen in the air, control carbon dioxide, control the moisture level, lowering the heat level, remove dust and odors. For this purpose, we require ventilation system. These are the main purposes for which we use ventilation system. Now, coming to the requirements for an acceptable amount of fresh air supply in building will vary depending on the nature of occupation and activity. Air changes per hour or ventilation rate, it is a rate, it means mass flow rate is preferred. Air changes per hour is equals to quantity of air into occupancy, that is divided by room volume. So this gives us the air changes per hour or ventilation rate. Now, coming to the systems of ventilation, we have the definition, a proper definition, the process of supplying and removing air through an indoor space without changing mechanical systems. It refers to the flow of external air to an indoor space as a result of pressure or temperature differences. It's because of pressure and temperature differences, the flow of air inside of a room, inside an enclosure, inside a space is, and that is decided with respect to the quality of air. Now, the benefits of natural ventilation includes, so there are the topics regarding the benefits of natural ventilation includes, you just go through this, and recommendations from design guidelines from various building regulations such as the followings. Just go through these things. So what is this? uh, Building regulations such as the following: the building orientation and location is, yes, absolutely. The orientation, depending on orientation, the atmospheric conditions will also change. That's why the point comes first. Next, building form and dimensions, yes, absolutely. According to the geometry of construction, different dimensions of the building constructions, it requires the ventilation method, different methods of ventilation, as well as the flow rates may change, the quality of the air may change. Next, window typological topologies, I'm sorry, window typologies and operations, types, shape and size of openings. Depending on this also, the air conditioning and the ventilation will depends upon. Next, construction methods and detailing. Urban planning considerations will also come under considerations. So these six are so recommendations for the design guidelines from various building regulations. Yeah, so this is also an important factor for need and the requirement for a ventilation system. Now, and you just go through the system of ventilation in natural methods. Just we have a small definitions for it, and we have the types of ventilations and types of, so to supply the air we require fans, and purity and the quality of the air is also an important factor, and that is also discussed in this PPT. So that is there, inlet extract, mechanical inlet and extract. Now see the fans, there are some types of fans are there. See the different types of fans. There is propeller fan, axial flow fan, centrifugal fan, and solar panel type. So there are different types of fans are there, that we should know this. Mostly in industries we will find this centrifugal type of fan we could observe in general industries or factories. Now, and coming to the air filters, to maintain the quality of the air we require air filters. There's a bag type air filter, next a roller type air filter, viscous type filter, electrostatic unit type. This is electrostatic unit type. It is an important thing, and even we could find this in general industrial types. For better quality purpose we use electrostatic unit type air filters. So just go through these things, and it is a little introduction regarding the ventilation in our fifth unit, and we require to discuss some problems in fifth unit, thereby we can complete our last unit. Thank you.